All right, class, this is Wednesday's warm-up problem. Okay, this is Wednesday's warm-up problem. Okay, so this first one, in order to solve for x, we have to simplify both sides separately. So let's simplify this side first, okay? Let's look at this side first. All right, here, in order to simplify, we're going to use distributive property. So that means we're going to multiply this -4 times both numbers in the parentheses. This gives me a -8x. A negative times a negative is a positive, so this is going to give me a +4. And bring this down. On this side, to simplify, we're going to use distributive property again first. So we're going to multiply this -2. This -2 times the 4x in this parentheses. So bring this down, -9 plus 12. And we got -2 times a +4, that's -8x. All right, in the next line, we're going to combine the terms that are alike on each side separately. So on this side, the terms that are alike are going to be this +4 and this -1. +4 plus a -1 is going to give me a +3. Bring everything else down, okay? On this side, we're going to combine the like terms here. The like terms here is going to be this -9 and this +12. So we got 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's going to be 3. Okay? +3. Bring everything else down. Okay? Now, we need to move the variables to the same side. So I'm going to move this -8x to this side by adding 8x. It didn't really matter which one we moved because if we didn't notice by now, both sides are the same. So when we move the x to get the x's to the same side, this cancels out because this is going to be 0, and this cancels out. So what we're left with is 3 is equal to 3. Since the variables cancel out, okay, and both sides are equal, which makes this this sentence true, this is infinitely many solutions. Okay? That means every number that you plug in for x is going to work, okay? If the variables cancel out and both sides of the equal sign was false, it will be a no solution, okay? So we're going to solve this equation. We're going to simplify both sides of the equation separately before we start moving terms. Here, we use distributive property first again, okay? This is going to give me 6x. Then we got 2 times this -4, that's -8. Bring down the equal sign. There's no distributive property here, so we're going to combine the terms that are alike. This is +8 minus 8x minus 2x gives us 6x minus 4. Okay? Now, we're going to move the variables to the same side. Notice that they're both exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one we move. I'm going to subtract 6x again. When I subtract 6x from both sides, cancels out. The variables cancel out again. Only this side is -8, and this side is -4. -8 is not equal to -4. This mathematical sentence is false. So this is a no solution. There is no number that you can plug in for x that's going to make both sides of the equation true.